We had a pretty large janitorial company. We were going through some things after my dad died. We opened up a drawer and we found a big, huge envelope of unpaid tax bills, liability, payroll taxes. Me and my mom had no idea, and we owed the IRS about $45,000. I went to Bill because of that. After I met him, I knew that I didn't need to look anywhere else. And he told me the same thing. He goes, "Chris, don't worry. We'll get you out of this." Within a year, we had paid the IRS back everything we owed them. So working with Bill was terrific.
I knew that I had a tax problem and I ended up getting a tax lien. Once I got the tax lien put onto my credit report, I knew that I needed to do something instantly. Bill explained the process to me. He spelled it out very clearly, the willingness to work with me throughout the entire process. Overall, Bill saved me almost $98,000. He kept me out of jail. That was my main priority. He stopped the garnishments. Bill pretty much done everything that he said he was going to do.
I had been a CFO of a company many years before I met Bill. The company was running out of money and the company was in bankruptcy. The IRS found me to be the easiest target, that I am responsible for withholding taxes for an entire company's employee base, and continued to pursue me for this liability for some period of time, for something I had absolutely nothing to do with. I talked to Bill at length, and the more I talked to him, it was clear how sophisticated he was. Bill made progress very quickly and took care of everything, and the bills were paid. From that perspective, life is grand.
During the economic downfall of 2008, we found ourselves struggling with IRS tax liabilities that absolutely buried our company. Bill has been there every step of the way. Having him come to the table with solutions that are overall encompassing to our business, not just on the tax issue, but literally guiding us on better business decisions for future properties. I have never had any concerns or any regrets about using Bill. We're very pleased with where we're at right now.
I was just very negligent in preparing my federal income tax forms for almost 10 years. A lien had been placed on my home. Over the years, I had gotten contacts from other people, but for some reason, Bill's contact rang a bell with me. And once we got to talking, I became convinced that he could help me with my problem. There was a significant reduction in the amount of tax that I ended up owing, and I don't think I could have asked for any better outcome.
I made some bad decisions along the way. With that, I got behind with the IRS, and I ignored that for 2 or 3 years. It came back to me hard and put me in a situation where I'm extremely delinquent with the IRS. Almost everybody said, "No problem, just sign this, just do that, and we'll just go ahead and take care of it for you." Everything was sunshine and roses with everybody, but Bill didn't approach it that way. He actually mapped out for me a plan, and there was nothing easy about that plan. He gave me hope. This man really cares about his clients. The issue that I have with the IRS, I would say 99% of it is done. It is such a huge trade-off. I thank Bill for all that.